The next website I want to share with you is called readworks.org. When you get to the site, it looks like this. You'll have to log in. I have my login information here. At the top of the screen, then, it will show you where you can find content, a list of content you've assigned, assignments, and student progress. Readworks does a great job of allowing the teachers to scaffold for different students. For example, if I'm teaching fourth grade and majority of my students are reading on a fourth grade level, I can select a text based on the fourth grade level. I can choose it and I can click assign. When I assign it, I could include audio if I want students to be able to listen to it as well. I could also include vocabulary questions. This just gives students support on words that they might not know. You can easily upload your Google Classroom class to Readworks, which is a great feature. I am going to assign to specific students because some of my students might struggle. Here, when I do this, I could click, okay, I'm going to select all, except for I don't want these students to do this. I'm going to give them something different. And you push authenticate with Google. And then finally, assign. You can also pre-assign these, so maybe I don't want students to have this assignment until June 22nd, and I want students to finish this assignment by June 26th. Then I would click assign. Another feature of Readworks that I think most classroom teachers are going to love is you can choose not only the grade, you can choose topics. So maybe you're teaching students about a moment in history. You click social studies and click that time. You can also do different kinds of text, nonfiction, fiction, and poetry. It's also, you can select a Lexile range if you would like to. One of my favorite features that I've found is that I can click skills and strategy, and maybe I'm working with my students about figurative language. I can go here and click any assignment or any passage on figurative language and assign that to my students. Again, this is a tool for classroom teachers. I would say in any elementary school classroom could use this. I think it could be used in the traditional classroom setting during reading groups. I think it could be assigned as homework. I even think it's something that you could assign through distance learning if that is something that we continue to do.